Now, Jamaica's men's footballers are now awaiting the results of Tuesday's Group A matches to know their opponents for the Concacaf Nations League quarterfinals after topping Group B on Sunday. The Jamaicans earned a 3-2 win over Haiti, who were relegated to League B at the Hazley Crawford Stadium in Trinidad and Tobago.
The Concacaf Nations League first round is now out the way, and the Reggae Boyz escaped unblemished after edging Caribbean neighbours Haiti 3-2 in Trinidad and Tobago on Sunday evening. Just like in Jamaica, the Haitians sprung out of the blocks after questionable defending allowed for the easiest of headers from 6 yards. Franz de Perriot, the beneficiary in the 15th minute. 7 changes were made from Thursday's win over Grenada, but after 9 matches, Demari Gray is becoming the main man. He equalized 3 minutes later for his 5th goal, and all was well for the Jamaicans. Several misplaced passes and poor finishing summed up a first half that made the spectacle hard to view. Coach Hamir Hallgrimson hooked Dejon Richards for Shamar Nicholson, and 12 minutes later, his tame effort trickled into the net after an awful bit of goalkeeping. Leon Bailey put Jamaica out of sight, or so he thought, when he netted 9 minutes later. However, Perriot gave the Jamaicans another scare when his header found its way in the back of the net 4 minutes from time. The Reggae Boyz held on for the victory to get the ultimate goal of topping the group, but
I was doing it over the 2 games we were kind of rocky in terms of how we wanted to defend. But I think offensively we got it right over the 2 legs, and we just need to just fix defensive work and move on, to play either Canada or Costa Rica.
The Jamaicans kept 1 clean sheet in the 4 matches, but the coaching staff is looking at the glass as half full.
We have goals in us. We didn't want them to score on us, but such is the game. The guys rose. We showed good character. Came from 1-0 down, lead 3-1. At the end we gave up what I would say a soft goal based on our standards. But football is football.
4 against Grenada, 3 again tonight. So it shows the positives. It shows the positive attacking that we from, and we score goals. So you can see that we can change players and still get goals. I didn't play against Grenada. I played today. I didn't get a goal, but we still got another 3 goals. So hopefully we can try and get some more clean sheets next. But we defend as a team and we score as a team.
The 2-legged quarterfinals will be played home and away between November 16 and 21. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.